Before you try the Temu FREE Gift system, there are a few things you should probably know first, because most people go into it with completely wrong expectations, and that's usually why they end up frustrated. I did too. At first, I thought it was just enter a code, pick free items, done. But after actually testing it, I realized the system works very differently than people online make it seem. So here are the 5 biggest things I wish I knew before trying it. 1. It's not instant. This is the biggest misunderstanding. A lot of videos make it look like click once, free item arrives. That's not really how it works. The system is built around progression. You interact with offers, complete steps, and gradually move forward. So if you expect instant rewards, you'll probably quit early. 2. The way you enter matters. This one surprised me the most. The first time I tried Temu FREE Gift, I opened the app normally. Nothing special happened. But when I entered through the promotion first, the entire experience changed. The free gift section actually appeared, different offers loaded, and the app finally felt active. 3. Not every account sees the same thing. This explains why people get confused online. One person gets amazing offers, another sees almost nothing. That's because Temu changes promotions based on account activity, location, timing, and how you enter the system. So, don't expect every screen to look identical. 4. Bigger rewards usually take longer. This is another mistake beginners make. Everyone immediately goes for expensive items, but those usually require more progress. Smaller rewards tend to feel much more achievable at the start, and honestly, that makes the whole experience less frustrating. 5. It's more system than hack. This is probably the most important thing. People talk about Temu FREE Gift like it's some secret trick, but after using it, it feels more like a promotion system with built-in progression. And once I understood that, everything started making a lot more sense. Now, let's keep this completely honest. Is it perfect? No. Can it still feel slow sometimes? Definitely. But is it as fake as some people claim? Honestly, not really. Most people just misunderstand how it actually works. So, after hearing all this, what surprised you the most about the Temu FREE Gift system?